Hey guys, welcome. We got a nice simple recipe. You can do it with a rice cooker or on the stove. But here's our ingredients. Basic ingredients. We got long grain white rice, tomato sauce, corn, Rotell, some chicken broth. I like using chicken broth in my rice because it gives it more flavor. A little splash of olive oil. And we got half an onion, half a jalapeno, quarter teaspoon of pepper, little over quarter teaspoon of cumin, and one tiny clove of garlic. Alright, so if that's our ingredients, let's go ahead and now if you're using your rice cooker, always use the cup that it came with, okay? So I got 2 cups of rinsed rice. I did rinse it. You got to rinse your rice, guys. So I'm going to use almost 2 cups. Reason being is I'm putting other items in there. It's going to have liquid. So almost 2 cups of chicken broth. And I got the black beans over here, which are already rinsed. But we're going to put them in last because I don't like mushy beans. Alright, so when it's all said and done, then we'll put it in there. Alright, and I like putting a little bit of oil. You can use vegetable oil, olive oil, whatever kind of oil you want. Maybe about a teaspoon, just to sort of help it along. Keeps it from sticking. Alright, so we're going to throw in all our spices. And this is the beauty of the rice cooker, guys. Just throw it all in there and be done. Jalapeno. Now, normally I would use more than this, but I'm only using 2 cups of rice. Alright, and then I'm going to throw my Rotell in. And I'm only going to use half a can of corn. Now, if you want to use the whole can, be my guest. And we're going to throw in a small can of tomato sauce, but I'm only going to put in half for now. And if we need more, we'll add more when we add the beans. Alright? And we're going to go ahead and mix all our ingredients together. Now this rice cooker, I got a fancy one, but it shuts off automatically. Tomato sauce gives it the red color. Cummin gives it that sort of a Mexican flavor. Alright. Always use a spoon, comes with your rice cooker. You don't want to scratch the surface. Alright, we're going to put it in the rice cooker. This one, it actually sings to you. So we're going to go white rice. Start. Says 60 minutes. It won't take 60 minutes. And it senses when the moisture's out of it. It's good to go. It's perfect rice every time. But we'll be back. Mix in our beans. Be done with this. We'll see you when we're getting ready to plate, guys. Welcome back. Make sure you use pot holders when you're pulling that out of your rice cooker, because it gets a little toasty. So I'm going to add my beans in now, because I didn't want them mushy. And we're going to just add the other part of that tomato sauce. Alright. We're going to stir it all up. And guys, I didn't forget, but before I came back, I did add salt. Only about half a teaspoon though. Remember, you can always add it, but you can't take it out. But it's nice to be back with you guys today. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share, guys. It's free. And we do cool little recipes like this all the time. Alright. Oh yeah. Perfect. That rice is perfect. Alright? But I'll be right back. We'll get this plated. There you have it. Authentic Mexican rice. And you can alter any of the ingredients if you like. Okay? But I'd like to thank you for being with us, sticking around with us. Another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. I'm going to go ahead and dive into this. Because you know, it is totally awesome. Perfect. But thank you and God bless.